I belong to a complete big family where there was like lots of troubles, like family troubles, and in my life I never liked Krishna so much. So I used to worship all the demigods, but when it came to Krishna, I was always like very reluctant to worship him. Once, like during the time when I was going to come to Krishna consciousness, before that I was Lord Shiva devotee, a devotee of Lord Shiva. So I used to consider Lord Shiva as the supreme personality of Godhead. One of my friend was once speaking to me, and she said that Krishna, you know who is the supreme personality of Godhead? I said, yes, I know. It's the god of the demigods, who is Mahadev. And she said that, no, it's Krishna. I said that it cannot be, and I was fighting with her. And at that time, she said, the truth is that you cannot change it. And I just disconnected the call and was pointing towards Lord Shiva's lingam, which I had in my house. And I was like, dare if anyone else says that you are not the supreme personality of Godhead, because I had that kind of relationship with Lord Shiva. I used to feel like that. So right after that, 1 week later, I had a fight in my house, like family fight and all that. So I decided, I told my mom, let's go to a temple somewhere where I can find peace. So I went with her in the temple, and I was sitting there in the temple, and there was one Prabhuji sitting beside Prabhupada, and he was doing kirtan. He started singing this song, Govardhan Dhari, Krishna Murari, Madhava Manomohana. So the time when I heard this song, and he looked at me and he faced to Krishna like that, he just showed me Krishna, and I looked at Krishna, and at that time I don't know, I was thinking, this person, this personality who's in front of me, I don't like him. And the time he described him like that, I'm looking at him, I don't know why, and I was just constantly looking at him. At that time, because of my family issues and all that, I was crying. And I felt that the satisfaction which I was trying to find in so many demigods, because I know that I never used to go for material things. I used to always find that relationship that I want to share with you, but every time I used to get disappointed and get jumped from one demigod to another, and then it was Lord Shiva. So when I was seeing Krishna, I just felt my tears got like dried completely, and I was just smiling, and I was hearing the kirtan. From that time onwards, I knew that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, and I was like accepting it. But then I said, okay, every Sunday I will be coming to ISKCON temple, and that was Radharaj Bihari, Jew ISKCON. So the next Sunday I came, and one Prabhuji, he gave me, Brahmachari at the bookstall, he gave me this book, Science of Self-Realization. And in that Science of Self-Realization, it is described about Jesus Christ and the meaning of Christ, and that how there is just one Supreme Lord. And at that time also I was feeling like, how Krishna can be the Supreme, how Krishna can be the Supreme. And then the next Sunday I went, and there was this Brahmachari. He told me that, okay, how did you come to the temple? And he asked me so many things. And at that time, he just shifted this book. And that time was a slap on my face, or you can say a very nice thing which Krishna revealed to me. And it was written, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And I was like, oh my God, what is this? And I just took that book. I was like, something is getting revealed to me. And I went home and I started reading that book, and in that there was pastime of Banasur, of Lord Shiva and Krishna fighting. And in that, Lord Shiva surrendered to Krishna. And at that time, Lord Shiva himself glorifying Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And even though I went through so many chapters from the Vrindavan Leela through the Dwarka Leela, only after I came to that chapter of Banasur, where he got defeated and Lord Shiva surrendering to Lord Vishnu or Krishna, at that time I realized that yes, Krishna is the only one. So from that time I started beginning my Krishna consciousness of chanting and starting, I was always preached by the brahmacharis there. I used to chant, I used to do some service, little Tulsi Maharani service and all. And then I was regular in that temple every Sunday. Then after that I met my husband, fortunately, and I had not yet decided about finding a guru in my life. but he was aspiring. He's still aspiring from Radhanath Maharaj, and then he brought me. He told me that whether you are ready to accept. And I was like, okay, let me go to that temple. And he used to always say, why don't you go to that temple? Why don't you go to that temple? I was asking, which temple? Which temple? He was always saying Chopati. I said, I'm going to Chopati temple. Jew is near Chopati. And like, no, Girgaon Chopati. So I was like, okay, let's try. And then when one of my friend Mansi, we both decided together, and we came to this temple. And the very first time I came to this temple's simplicity just attracted me so much. It was so different. And I came on the Sunday and on the Sunday feast, and finally I met my spiritual master. My heart said that, oh, he's my spiritual master after hearing him and the way he smiled. And then I got connected to this temple because of my husband, fortunately, because he introduced me to my spiritual master. And then I joined this congregation and trying to actually push myself along with the association of devotees and trying to progress in this life of Krishna consciousness, because it has really given me a wonderful experience of loving relationships between devotees. Because outside world, when you go, you always find so much of clashes, and there is envy among the girls especially, you'll see that. But when you come into Krishna consciousness among the devotees who have the similar goal, they will always want to share what they have. And even though there might be some impurities, but everyone is ready to deal with it, and they are open to progress. So you don't feel that, okay, I'm the only one. So you all together actually try to go on that path where Krishna can be the center. Thank you very much.